Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Najah Usna. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And now I want to present my English assignment. The title is about quarantine and COVID-19.
Quarantine reduced to 10 days but SOP must be followed after. Petaling Jaya. The government's decision to reduce the quarantine period to 10 days follows update COVID-19 scientific evidence, say health experts. But they said those released early should still adhere to Standard Operating Procedure (SOP). Malaysian Public Health Physician Association President Datuk Dr. Zainal Arifin Omar said the 10-day quarantine would allow more flexibility for people to go about their daily life. But those who have a history of close contact or have symptoms better be cautious and take the 14 days to quarantine. Better still, they should also do a confirmatory test, he said when contacted yesterday. On Sunday, Health Director General Tan Sri Dr. Nur Hisham Abdullah said arrivals from abroad and those who had close contact with a person infected with COVID-19 would now only need to be quarantined for 10 days. He said the decision was considered after reviewing scientific evidence on the virus and by looking at the practice of other countries. In Britain, Germany and Belgium, self-isolation periods for those arriving from abroad and those who had contact with a COVID-19 positive patient have been reduced from 14 days to 10. In France, home quarantine is only 7 days. University Malaysia Professor of Epidemiology and Public Health Professor Dr. Sanjay Rapal said reducing the period makes quarantine a more sustainable intervention in the longer term. Shortening the quarantine is an attempt to balance the burden of quarantine against a small probability of failing to detect a case. But those who are released early should still adhere to the SOP and seek immediate medical attention if they feel unwell or become sick within the 14-day period, he said, adding that the government decision appeared to have been made after considering the increase to this on COVID-19. University Putra Malaysia medical epidemiologist assault from Dr. Malina Osman concur, noting that the government decision was in line with complete scientific evidence worldwide on transmissibility of COVID-19 infection. The infection of the infected individual has been documented in the first 5 days to 1 week after exposure, she said. Despite the increased number of cases over the past month, she pointed out they were largely attributed to aggressive screenings, contact tracing and poor compliance, not quarantine duration length. With year-end holidays looming, Dr. Malina advised the public to consider delay their holidays plan. Lifting the travel ban is mainly for economic reasons, not for moving around without limit. Travel should be done within a shorter duration. It shouldn't involve crowded areas and there must be strict compliance with SOP.
Thank you to the teacher for giving me this assignment. And to everyone, stay safe and take care.